Thank you so much for joining us, sharing your Saturday with us. So today the focus again is AI, ROI, and business case. So my goal with this workshop is to just, first of all, make it super interactive for you, and I need your help to do that. So feel free to jump in, ask questions, use chat, whatever works for you. Feel free to have your video on or off, whatever makes you comfortable. And to get us started, I actually put together these 3 questions that you see on the slide here. So before we dive into this conversation, you might have, seen this information on the event page, and there may have been something specific that brought you to this session today. So I'll just open the floor to see if there's anything additional you would like to discuss before we dive into these 3 topics. So feel free to speak up or use chat.
One question that I have is, and I don't know if that's part of your curriculum, what measures would you recommend for analyzing AI projects and rentability in particular? So the ROI, how can I measure it? How can I quantify it? And how can I, and that's what really interests me, how can I compare them? I mean, if I have multiple different ROIs, I mean, one of them increases productivity, another one increases revenue, another one reduces costs. How can I compare these different ROIs and then decide which one is more valuable than the other one? That's basically the question of the day for me. So if that's, I would be very
absolutely. That's a wonderful question. Thank you for asking that, Castra, and we'll definitely compare that. In fact, what I'll do is blow it up even further, right? Take a step back and say what's important to the business at an enterprise level, and how do you connect that with the project level information that you just mentioned, right? Because those two sometimes are 2 different things. So we'll definitely dive into that.